going behind the gates of Chandler's Wildlife Sanctuary, where no one else gets this close to crocodiles,
Crocodile.
to snakes,
I love snakes.
I love snakes too.
and to the world's biggest owl. This could be the most dangerous adventure we've ever filmed,
It's really dangerous stuff, especially this room.
or the craziest adventure we've been to so far. And if we survive Chandler's Wild Tour, we unlock the ultimate Wild Path secret.
Now when we go over here, you cannot touch the fence, okay? You don't go past any of the ropes. All these crocodiles are crocodiles at the end of the day. They're not dogs. They can't be really tamed out, and you don't want to trust them because this crocodile right here is actually the crocodile that bit my leg 2 years ago.
Wait, did he just say this crocodile bit his leg? And he still trusts it?
We have to keep everything super, super secure. So when I first moved out here, I wanted to get some larger crocodiles. So for my license, you have to have adult crocodile fencing. So you have to have like a 5-6 foot fence for the crocs. And then on the outside of that, you have to have an 8-foot fence. So if they get out of the 5-foot fence, they can't get off the property. But over here, the Nile crocodile, Cuban crocodile hybrid, and then the beautiful pure Cuban croc right here. These guys only hang out during the day, and they'll hunt a little bit at night. Watch this, you throw some biscuits in the water. Ooh, there you go, throw it way into the water, way into the water. There you go. And they're gonna start eating them.
Biscuits for crocs? Guess even dinosaurs had snack time.
Look at that, how cool. So the big crocodile below the small one is Aries. I've actually known Aries since I was 13 years old.
Hold up, he's known this crocodile since middle school? That's like having the same best friend, but with giant teeth.
When I was a little kid, I used to wrestle alligators for alligator wrestling shows. I used to jump on gators and teach the public about why alligators are important for the ecosystem and how to avoid getting attacked. Usually we feed them off a rig where they eat a rat or a chicken and they jump up to eat it off the stick. But because it's cold out, we don't want to feed them too much. They need heat to digest their food. And if they don't have enough heat, they can get food poisoning.
Note to self, don't invite crocodiles to dinner in winter. They'll get a tummy ache.
Ready? Ready? Got it. Crocodile. So this is an American crocodile. This is actually what lives right by your house in Miami.
Yeah.
You can find these guys in your backyard if you're lucky.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take the tape and have it sticky side up. This way, the tape doesn't stick to the skin. They only breathe throughout their nostrils, not their mouth. So this doesn't restrain his breathing at all. And crocodiles can actually hold their breath for a couple hours. These guys, they'll squiggle and worm around, but he can't hurt you with the tape on his mouth. So these guys can actually slow their heart rate down to 4 beats in 1 hour. As if they get into a fight with another crocodile and they lose their tail or part of their arm, they can actually cut off the blood flow to their wound, preventing them from bleeding out. It's like a built-in tourniquet. They're the ultimate survivors. American crocs like this one and the saltwater crocodile from Australia and Asia are the only 2 types of crocs out of all 28 species that have salt excreting glands, meaning they're the only 2 crocs that can live in the ocean full time.
Yeah.
So you can find these guys in the Keys and Jamaica on the coast, both sides of Mexico, Central and South America. These guys thrive, and they're one of the biggest crocs in the world, getting anywhere from 13 feet to 18 plus feet long. You like the spikes on the back? So these ridges right here, these are called osteoderms. They're actually individual bones that protect the animal in a fight, but also the bones have holes in them so blood can come up through the bone and actually charge up. Because they're a reptile, they rely on the sun's heat for energy. Without the sun's heat, they're cold and they don't have energy. And the crocodile actually has ears. If you look right here, he's cracking open to listen. That whole flap right there is an ear. And he seals it underneath the water surface so he doesn't get water in his ear canal. But even with it closed, he can hear really good. You can call a crocodile from the bottom of a pond, standing on the land, calling its name.
I'm leaving the crocodiles behind and heading somewhere even more mysterious.
It's really dangerous stuff, especially this room. I keep the most dangerous venomous snakes in the world. It's no joke. You ready?
Uh-oh. If the crocs were scary, what's hiding behind the danger door?
I thought it's a rattlesnake.
No, that's a big king cobra, world's biggest venomous snake. We have all the world's biggest and gnarliest snakes. Right off the bat, you can see we have cobra eggs. Look at this. We collected cobra eggs the other day. How cool. We got 31 cobra eggs. How cool.
Oh my goodness, God.
Want to hold some snakes?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
But
hold
not
some snakes.
poison.
Okay, I think they're not poisonous. This is a non-venomous milk snake, Honduran milk snake, but it's albino, so it's super pretty. Won't hurt you. Just hold it just like that.
They're called milk snakes because of an old myth that they drank milk from cows. But nope, they don't.
There we go. He's not gonna hurt you, he's harmless. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
They look super venomous, but I'm pretty sure they're not.
Whoa.
They're totally harmless and actually helpful. They eat mice, rats, and even other snakes. In the wild, they can grow up to 6 feet long.
The key to handling snakes is to make them feel like they're not restrained. Let them go right through your hands. Don't be afraid, he's fine. They're harmless little.
Oh my Papa.
Oh my goodness! Ay, Dios mío! You're doing a great job. Maybe if you put on sunglasses, you'll be protected from the snake.
It's wrapping up around.
Yeah. You know, like a
see?
monkey holds you with its hands and tail. They don't have hands or a tail, so they wrap you with their long tail. Well, they do it too.
Mama, 10 more seconds.
Yeah, 10 more minutes. Let's go walk around while she holds the snake.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Chandler has a sense of humor.
How about we take out a big boa? She's a sweetheart. She was actually a family pet that was donated because she outgrew the fish tank she was living in. Oh. So I'm just gonna put her on the ground. And if you want, you can pet her gently. You want to lay down next to her so they can see how big she is?
Yeah.
There you go, look at this. Oh my goodness. That boa is twice your length. You ready? Don't move. Oh. Good job.
This is the wild path, where danger and discovery meet. And sometimes, the scariest creatures are also the most incredible.
Look at this. This is the most dangerous snake in the world to handle. It's the black mamba. Called the black mamba because the inside of its mouth is jet black. I also have this. It's an Egyptian cobra shed. You want some snake skin to take home?
Sure.
Yeah? That's the second largest cobra in Africa, behind the forest cobra.
In the hot African savanna, the black mamba slithers like lightning, faster than most people can run. It's a rare snake that many fear, but it's also one of the most amazing creatures in the wild.
There. What do you think?
Yes.
So she's about 13 feet long and she means business. This is the world's longest venomous snake. Whoa! These guys can actually get around 18 feet long. And they are very, very dangerous snakes. They live in the same habitat as tigers and elephants and leopards. They have to be intimidating. If they're not intimidating enough, then they will end up falling prey to one of these animals. So these guys can put up 5 to 6 feet off of the ground and look a grown man in the eyes. They clear out the ribs around their hood, make themselves look bigger, and they will modify a trachea that allows them to growl like a dog, which means I mean business. Do not mess with me. She's kind of cornering me in the enclosure. You want to get away from her. There we go. Big, beautiful king cobra. Look at that. Woo! Beautiful big snake. Wow. You want to respect her, so thank you very much. Woo!
Whoa.
You guys ready to go hold a giant owl now?
Yeah.
So I raised him from a 3-week-old chick. He's over 4 years old. So he's very well trained and habituated to being with strangers. Okay, I'm gonna help you. There you go. Second largest owl in the world, the Eurasian eagle owl. They have orange eyes, which are not just beautiful, but those light-colored eyes allow them to hunt during the day and at night, whereas a barn owl with full black eyes would only be hunting at night. They have 750 pounds of pressure in their talons, so they're using that deadly pressure behind those talons to kill red foxes, feral cats, other owls, and the chicks of hawks out of nests. They are a true top predator, maybe even a chihuahua they would eat.
What's his personality?
Owl, which means I sit in a tree, I eat, and I stare at you. They're not like cats and dogs. Here, I got them. There you go. You want to try?
Yeah, of course.
You little kids hold them.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
And they have ears on the side of their facial plate right here. So ears are here. These are just tufts that look intimidating, and they help channel sound waves to the side of the facial plate.
We just went face to face with crocs, venomous snakes, and a giant owl. And we survived. But here's the crazy thing we learned. They're not villains, they're teachers. Crocs show strength, snakes teach patience, owls give wisdom. Every challenge is a chance to learn something new and grow stronger. Just like when you fall off your bike and get back on, or when you try something scary and realize you can do it. That's how you unlock new powers inside yourself. If you like this adventure and believe kindness to animals is the real deal, smash that like button. And don't forget, stay wild, stay free. And always, stay on the wild path.